It's a lovely good morning to you, and today I want to show you how your water should be coming out when the pump has been supplied with the needed amount of wattage and voltage, and also the pipe size and the cable size, and it has been installed at the correct depth. Now, you see, many pumps are underperforming, not because they cannot perform effectively, it is because they have not been installed the right way. I have been installing pumps for the past 8 years now, and I've done more than 50 pumps. So now, as I've been installing these pumps, I've learned so much in terms of where to put the pump, in terms of the depth, the kind of pipe to use, the kind of cable to use, how to position the panels, how many panels are needed, the kind of control that is needed, and also calculating the amount of water that each pump should pump even when things are bad. What you see here, as you can see, this is a 5 HP solar pump that has the capacity of pumping up to 18,000 liters per hour when it is configured properly. But you see, we have so many people that don't get even 50% of the capacity of the pump. Not really that there's no sunlight, but because the pumps were not installed very well. So now, here's my advice to you. Whenever you are getting a pump, you should check what is the capacity of the pump. And if the pump is not pumping according to its capacity, there must be something wrong somewhere. Mostly, what these installers do, they would actually, when a pump needs 4 panels, they'll give it 3. Then they chew the money. And you, as long as you just see water coming out, you say, oh, no, it is okay. Now, what you do, you get a bucket and you measure how many seconds does it take to fill that bucket. Then multiply with 1 hour and see if that pump is working to its capacity. Like, people get so surprised when they see how the pumps that Farm 7 installs and how they perform. Just look at how this is pushing water. You see? And this is like 300,000 liters, about 280,000 liters. But this can be filled within a day with this pump. And our water starts coming as early as 6. Immediately the sun pops out, the water starts coming out. Having said that, I'm wishing you a lovely and good afternoon, and I'm going to show you how our solar systems are configured and how they actually pump very effectively. It's a lovely good morning to you. This is a radical farmer here at Organic Farm 7. So, you see, before you buy a vehicle, you need to know the road which that vehicle will be passing. Because the vehicle can be very perfect, but if the road is bad, your vehicle is going to get damaged. Before you start farming, you need land, you need fencing, you need knowledge, you need labor, but at the same time you also need water. So now, there are so many things that we do before we actually produce a crop, and the way you do these things matters a lot. Before you start talking about how many trees you're going to be planting, you should figure out how will those trees be watered. What are you going to be using to water them? And how much are you going to be paying per month to have them watered? You see, having a plan in place is 50% the job done. Implementing the plan is 200% the job done. But many people start from the end, then come back to the start, and in most cases it doesn't work like that. Even when you're building a house, you first need a plan, then you put a foundation, and then after that, that is when you come and start putting the walls and then the roof. But many people start with the roof, then they start figuring out how they're going to put the foundation. But mostly that doesn't work out in the building world, but also in the farming world. So before you plant, you need to sort out your water problems very well. Life has taught me, and experience has taught me, that you see, you need to figure out how much water you need for your field before you plant. And you see, I have learned this. It took me 7 years to understand that fully. And I've kept on learning and implementing what I learned. And right now, as you can see, at Farm 7, we have invested in these swinging solar stands. Now, here's one good thing about these solars. Number one is they capture sunlight as early as possible. That means I get enough water from the onset. I can put them in the middle to capture sunlight at noon. I can push them in the evening and they are capturing sunlight in the evening. So what are we saying? The way your solar system is installed matters a lot. You don't have to do experiments with these things. So these solars can push water to a distance of 2 kilometers effectively. But right now, pushing to the reservoir, it is only about 300 meters. And we are running organic farm 100% off the grid. And these solars are even well secure, to the point that if a thief has to steal them, he only has to break them. And there are two security features that are there. There's one, the physical security. Then the second one is the invisible. There's also the spiritual security. God himself protects these things because they are benefiting humankind. Now, many people don't get enough of what they invest in because they want to save money, even where you're not supposed to save money. The best thing that you can ever do is to do the right thing from the onset. And Farm 7 is here to do the right thing for you. You don't have to start planning for solar when the rains go. You have to start planning now so that before the rains go, you have your water system supplied. At Farm 7 right now, we are irrigating even when the rains are raining, because we want to take the moisture level to deeper levels, so that by the time the rains have gone, we continue replenishing that moisture level and our plants are going to be flourishing until the next season. You have seen how hard it was for us to get rains this year, but let us make sure that when we have it, we utilize it effectively. So if you want your solar systems to be installed the right way, you need the correct cable, pump put at the right depth, the correct configurations of the control box, and everything that a solar needs to run effectively. Farm 7 knows exactly what needs to be done. So we supply and install solar systems organically. All you have to do is to tell us what you want and sit back, and we're going to get the job done accordingly and organically. Then we'll come to you and hand over the project. Stay blessed and stay super organic. We're based in Kafue, Zambia, and we love what we do to the fullest.